Hey guys, how are you? Hope you have already started practicing the lesson taught in phase 1 and you're getting closer to your dream job. So today we are going to focus and we are going to learn about phase 2. So phase 2, I have classified it as visionary phase. So let's try to do a deep dive into this. What does the meaning of visionary phase stands for? So let's try to understand first what is the meaning of vision. So vision is a destination. It is a fixed point to which we focus all our effort. And how we do that? We do that by setting up our priority. Now again, a question comes up. Let's get back to our character Alex. Now that he have decided that he's going to work for a system administrator role and he is going to upskill himself for the system administrator role. But suddenly he gets the thought, what if he gets an opportunity as a developer? Or what if he is not able to perform well after joining the organization? So how he is going to manage all these negative thoughts that is coming in his mind? We'll see in our next slide. So I have given this method of avoiding the negative thoughts as a P-square method. Now, what does that mean? The first is decide about your priority. Now that you have decided, see, you think thousands of times about what you have to choose. But after thinking, you think about all the negative aspects, all the positive aspects, everything. You take time, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 1 week, 2 week, you take time in that. But once you decide that you have to choose this particular option, do not fall back from that. Do not set away from that. So as I said, in the P-square method, the first one is priority. So decide about the priority tasks which will help you in achieving your goal. And the next one is positivity. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial in this program, that you have to stay positive at each and every phase of this entire program. And this is very, very, very important. How will you prioritize your work? With the work, I mean, so there are two types of work. One work are the set of tasks which will help you in achieving your goal. And the other work are the set of non-essential tasks. It's a daily tasks, right? So let's try to see how will you prioritize your work. The only method is you just think what is important at this point of time. What is important for you at this particular minute at this particular second, at this particular hour, at this particular time, and act accordingly. Now let's see how to stay positive. This is also very important. You have to be in present and you have to be at this particular moment. Now, why it is and how it relates to being positive. So, if you look at your surrounding, if you look at yourself, any kind of negativity thought will come up when you're thinking about the past or when you're thinking about the future, the next time which is about to come. So, this is a one rule for staying positive, and that is to be in present, to be at this particular time. So if you're taking, for example, if you're taking shower, you have to think about that particular moment and take shower, cut. So whatever activity you do, you be in present and do that particular activity at fullest rather than you be 75% or 50% present in that particular moment and 25% or 30% thinking about what will happen if I drive, if I go to this place, or if I do anything which is going to come in the future. So you have to be in present. That is the most important activity which will help you in staying positive. Let me try to explain it in more detail. Imagine your life is this jar and these balls are the tasks which will help you in achieving your priority, and that priority is your goal. So these are your priority tasks. And your daily tasks like taking shower, going for shopping or any other thing, you can consider them as this particular small balls. Now, if you try to adjust your small tasks into your life, let me show you. As you can see in the picture, if you're trying to adjust small tasks into your life, your life will get filled up with the small tasks itself. And for your priority task, there will be no space left in your life. And then at that point of time, you might be thinking, you might think that this 24 hours is very much less for you to accomplish your dream. You'll have the major tasks still left out of your life. You won't be able to finish them. You won't be able to complete them. However, if you fill up your tasks with the priority work, it is a natural process that for smaller tasks you will automatically get space, time in your life. It will automatically happen. For example, if you have to study and studying is your major task at this point of time, and if you focus only on study, for taking shower, for going out for shopping, all these small tasks can easily be adjusted in your daily life. So to attain your vision, to achieve your vision, you have to focus on the priority work which is there in your life at this point of time. You do not bother about small daily works. You will automatically get time for small work if you focus on the priority tasks. However, if you don't focus on priority tasks and if you focus on the smaller tasks, the priority task will not be filled in your life. It will be left out. So this is the phase 2, and you make a note of your priority tasks. I would suggest you make a note of all the tasks that you do uh, in your daily life, an overview, and then you pick up the priority task. So your priority task at this point of time should be to the tasks which are related with you, which will help you in achieving your dream job, which will help you in achieving your goal. Any other task apart from that, you can consider it as a smaller task. Okay, so in next phase, we will be discussing more detail. We'll be talking about the next step, the next phase. Until then, do practice the phase 1, which was research, and once that is done, do start practicing the phase 2, which is the vision. Thank you.